If we don't grow it, it does not get bottled. Every day, all across America, countless millions of people of all ages make juices in their homes or offices. But even more millions don't have time to make their juices in their home. So we do the next best thing. We buy them in supermarkets, or juice bars, convenience stores, fast food restaurants, snack trucks, machines, coffee houses, club stores. The point is, every day, Americans are consuming an average of 2 to 3 ounces of juice. That is a staggering 3 million gallons plus a day of juices of all types and flavors. How do we really know which is the best juice? The answer certainly has to do with our expectation of quality of the product inside the bottle. Yet for today's juice drinker, an equally important consideration can be found on the back of the bottle, where the ingredient statement details just what we are putting into our bodies. So much information, but more often than not, there is one huge piece of information missing. Just where do all the fruits and vegetables come from? And how are these juices really made? Sure, the label says made in the USA or wherever, but does that mean that is where the fruits or vegetables come from? We know there is one juice brand that puts it all together. Flavor, purity, nothing at all added to the juice, vitamins and minerals only from the plant, nothing artificially added. This brand is actually made on the farm, where the fruits and vegetables are harvested and processed into heavenly juices, most often same day. The brand is Source Fresh. Welcome to Source Fresh, and welcome to Guatemala, where we at Source Fresh have a saying: if we don't grow it, we don't bottle it. Guatemala is a small country about the size of Tennessee, with a population of 14 million, of which 70% are direct descendants of the ancient Mayans. Guatemala is considered the richest country in Central America in natural resources, forest, climate, and rich earth formed from a turbulent past millions of years ago. It is volcanoes like this one called Fuego that spewed ash for millions of years onto the newly formed landmass, giving rise to some of the richest volcanic ash earth found anywhere on the planet. And today, it is the same ground formed by more than 30 volcanoes that first led the Mayans to become the most advanced farmers of ancient civilizations. It was the Mayans who first domesticated beans, corn, papayas, avocado, soft squash, and more. And today, it is the Mayan descendants who partner with us in our farming operations on these same ancient lands. It is here, one of the farms in the South Coast, where the Garcia and Ramila families are farming pineapples. Come, let's meet our farmer, who today happens to be with our Source Fresh chef, who helped create our delicious line of cold-pressed juices.
Hello, my name is Manuel Ramila, and it is a pleasure to introduce our pineapple farm and for you to meet our company's chef, who is here with me today to taste the pineapple before they are to be harvested and sent to our processing facility to be pressed into fresh pineapple juice.
And my name is Juan Dubois, and it's a pleasure to be here with Manuel as we work very close together to make sure the farm is producing the perfect quality of pineapples to be made into our juices.
Freddy, por favor, nos puede partir la piña para probarla.
It is this special attention to every step of the process that ensures Source Fresh juices are always at their peak of freshness and optimal quality.
Taking a bite of the pineapple, it does not get any better than this. Very sweet, so much flavor, but let's see just how sweet it is. This little devil is called a fructometer, a simple tool that measures what we call Brix or sugar level. No wonder this pineapple is good. The Brix is 16. Of course, Juan here doesn't need such a tool.
And I appreciate the confidence, Manuel. But yes, years of working with the juices, you acquire a certain taste or a certain instinct. You understand the characteristics of the different fruits and vegetables we use to make our juices. But having the farmer tell me that the fruit is good, that's just enough for me. Now, a pineapple cannot be too sweet or it'll just overpower the flavor. Or if not enough sugar, it's just going to taste tart. So we set up our spec on the average sugar to give us the maximum pineapple flavor. And of course, we never add sugar.
Once the pineapples arrive to the plant, like all of Source Fresh fruits and vegetables, they are inspected, cut by hand, and either sent to the freezer to be frozen or to the juice-making production area. Having this flexibility is what makes us very competitive in the products we sell. To make great juices, you need the best in juice-making equipment in order to crush and press the fruits and vegetables without heat. And that is exactly what we do at Source Fresh.
So, it's here that I call the finish line. We're the final step, and maybe it's the most important that takes place. Now, this little machine will not, so little as you guys can see, is called the HPP. Now, the high pressure process, or some people know it as the high pressure pasteurization. As you guys can hear, these valves are really cranking away. They're creating pressure is now how we pasteurize the juices to ensure the freshness of our juices and to have a shelf life to be shipped all over the world. Now, the HPP is quite simple in theory, but complex in its process. Our bottled juices go into a chamber and the pressure some 80,000 pounds per square inch. Now, it's like being down the water of 60 kilometers on the ocean. Now, it kills all living bacteria and potential pathogens. Now, the beauty of this is that none of the flavors, vitamins, minerals, or probiotics that are naturally occurring vitamins are harmed at all. Unlike flash pasteurization, which is used in most juices, which kills all the vitamins and flavors.
When a juice is flash frozen, it is the same thing as saying the juices are cooked at high heat to kill unwanted bacteria, where Source Fresh removes bacteria by pressure. This is very, very, very different. And this is what separates our juices from all other flash pasteurized products.
Honestly, I can't tell the difference if this was made today or 90 days ago. I do know that as long as it maintains refrigerated, it doesn't get any better or healthier than this.
Fresh, cold-pressed pineapple juice is not the only great-tasting, natural, healthy juice to come from Source Fresh. Our fields produce many different fruits and vegetables. Source Fresh grows more than 12 different fruits, 20 different vegetables, and this is certainly enough to keep Manuel and Juan busy from strawberries to kale. Our range enables our customers to enjoy the healthiest, purest juices direct from our farms. We have come to the end of our journey to Source Fresh, and a quick view of Guatemala, where we hope you have enjoyed your visit. And remember, if we don't grow it, we don't bottle it.